Hello my beauties, and welcome back to another video. My name's Nicole, if you do not know me, and today we are designing a really gorgeous and unique bag created with my own patterned fabric, if that makes sense. I really wanted to make something unique, and I have all this fabric left over from Valentine's Day, so I decided to make a checkered pattern fabric with this satin silky two-toned pink fabric. And I literally just cut them all into squares and sewed all the squares together with whatever fabric I had left from the dark pink and the light pink. And this was a really fun process for me because I really didn't want to focus on perfection. I just wanted to create something fun and organic. So once you'll see the actual fabric together, it's not perfect, but I really love that it's not perfect. I love that it's organic, and you can tell that it's handmade, not in a sloppy way, but I just really love that it's unique and it doesn't look manufactured. So enjoy this process of me making this beautiful bag. I'll be chiming in here and there, and yeah, let's just hang out for a few minutes. So I created a pattern for this bag, and I've already made it once, so that'll explain some of my frustration in this video. Cute. Now that is the right size and shape. Oh gosh. The pattern is split in half because the bottom half is going to be the lining on the inside and the top half is going to be the color of the outside of the bag. So if I sew them like this is 29. That's kind of perfect. So I can use this for the outside of the bag on the bottom part. So this is the piece that's only supposed to be this big. That makes more sense, you know what I mean? So actually, I think I might be able to just fold this in half like this. Then I will get 2 fabrics on the fold. That will look exactly the same. That's what we want. One, 2 pieces to work from. These perfect. So that's the bottom part of the lining. And now we need the straps. Okay, so I cut out 2 of these fluffy fabrics so that the purse has a little bit more stability, along with the interfacing that it already has on. That will go on these 2 pieces, which I'm going to sew those on. I also cut out this for the strap, and then I have these 2 squares that are going to go on the inside of the bag. It'll make a lot more sense later. So I need to iron on some of this interfacing onto these 2 squares and cut those out. And then I also cut out the handle strap. So this strap is going to be the scrunchie part, but the inside of the strap is just going to be this, which is going to be the actual length of the strap. And then I cut out an extra fuzzy piece for the strap as well. And now we have all of our pieces once I go and iron on these 2 squares, and then we can start sewing. So the first step I'm going to do is sew this cloud fabric onto these pieces. Okay, this is one side pinned. I'm so glad I have enough fabric because look how amazing this looks. Oh my gosh, you guys, stop right now. This is so cute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna sew this, attach this side to obviously the other side, and then we'll see how it looks. Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these 2 things into tubes. So I'm going to turn them right sides together and just sew straight stitch all the way down, attaching this fuzzy fabric to this white one too as well. So 2 tubes. Alright, we're on day 2 and these are all the pieces we made yesterday. This is the bottom part of the lining. This is the top part of the lining, which will make sense once the bag's put together. We have the handle, which I actually ended up changing later on to just be the fuzzy fabric and not the white silk because I just felt like it was too thick. And of course the zipper and the outside of the bag, which we made yesterday. So first things first is we're going to go attach these two pieces together to create the full lining. Now that we have that done, we're going to insert the straps to create the scrunchie effect. And then we're going to turn the bag inside out, place the strap onto the inside as well, and then with the right sides together, we're going to put the lining in and stay stitch or base stitch the bag all the way around. So I went ahead and unstitched the stay stitch on the sides of the bag, and I'm attaching the zipper. And then we'll do that to the other side, and we're ready for the grand reveal.